I recently did some maintenance on my daughter's 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Part of that maintenance was to jack it up and remove the skid plate, the plastic skid plate underneath, so that I could access the transmission bolt and the coolant, so I could flush the coolant and drain and fill the transmission. So when I was under there, you know, it's a used car, it's the first time that I worked on it, I noticed a few of these plastic clips were missing off the underbody skid plate. And so I'm going to find out if these work. If they do, I'll put a link in the description. Just these kind of push pin clips that hold the plastic underbody on. So if you need to know how to jack up the car safely, I'll post that video link in the description also. So let's get under here and see what we got. I think I'm still missing 3. Got one of them right here. Let's find out, moment of truth. Hey, these are the right size. So I will post these in the description. It'll save you a lot of money from going to a dealer or a parts store. Here's another one we were missing. All right, that's it. That's all of them. So, well, they worked. I'll put the link in the description. Hope that helps you out. Thank you for watching.